Y'all, see, now I'm be wearing hats. Now I'm a hat person. Never was a hat person, never could be a hat person. But now, I have the opportunity to be a hat person. I'm gonna take full advantage of that. Big heads matter. That's the moral of this video. Big heads matter. So if you think big heads matter, like and subscribe. Hey YouTube, and welcome back to It's Amazing. So today I'm going to be doing another I Can Do That video. And obviously it's not going to be with my hair because that's already done. I really just filmed this video so y'all can see my hair, to be honest. I'm sorry, but I'm just kidding. So I'm going to be doing another I Can Do That video, but today is not going to be with my hair. It's going to be with like a DIY type thing. Because I feel like, you know, you could do I Can Do That too. Because it's just a picture. It's like, you know, it's a picture. I'm gonna look at the picture and I'm gonna try to do it. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, go watch my other videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So yeah, let's get right into it. Oh, it's not the same. I don't have my hair out. Yeah, okay, let's go.
Do my hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling? Hair toss, check my nails. Baby, how you feeling?
I'm gonna be trying to do today is a natural cap. No, it's not called a natural cap. It's a curl cap. A curl cap. And I saw it and I'm like, let me go get me one of these. Cause it was cute. And I'm like, finally I don't have to do my hair if I don't feel like I can just put on a hat and go like regular people. But then I go to the website. The caps are $20. And I'm all for like supporting black businesses, you know, businesses in general. But I'm in college and I can't be dishing out $20 for, you know, a hat. Like that's gonna hurt me later because I don't get money back. Like if I would have got my refund, I would have gotten that hat. I'm gonna get one later. I'm just doing this for now. Like when I get some money, I'm gonna get that curl cap because they're cute. Like they're so cute. They come in different colors and then they're silk so it can protect your hair. They're like, somebody put some real thought into that, and I appreciate that because no one ever thinks about, you know, like the big head natural people with like big hair. They don't think about us, and I'm glad somebody did. But I just don't have y'all money right now. So when I get y'all money, I'm gonna get one. But for now, I'm gonna try to make my own. And so I have my little hat right here, and yes, I'm cheap. It's the hat from Family Dollar or Dollar General, one of those. And because it's like a trial and error type thing, so just in case I can do it, I'm not gonna be that sad because it was only like, I think this was $5. So by the looks of it, it looks like a scrunchie and a hat combined. So that's what I bought. I bought a hat and I got some scrunchies. And I'm going to sew them together because I can sew a little bit. I can do a little something. And if that doesn't work, I am going to staple it. So yeah, those are my supplies. Oh, and I have scissors, of course. So yeah, those are my supplies. So you see this little thing right here? I'm going to cut it with the angle of the hat. Like it has lines right here, if you can see it. Hold on. But okay, yeah, that makes more sense. Okay, so it has lines right here. So I'm gonna cut like along the lines. So yeah. If I can do this, I'm gonna start like buying real cute hats and doing it. Cause this, ooh wee, that'll change my life forever. Okay, so I got the little first half off. I actually cut after the line so like I can still have this seam so you know it can look like I didn't do it. I cut the backs off. And now it looks like this. It looks weird. Then I'm going to get my scrunchie. I should have gotten thicker scrunchies. And like this scrunchie is like little. I wonder if it's gonna be like long enough. We'll see. I don't think I'm gonna sew it. I think I'm just gonna staple it because I don't feel like sewing right now. So I'm gonna cut the scrunchie. Wait, is it gonna lose like its elasticity if I cut it? I hope not. That'd be stupid. It is. I can feel it. Like I feel like it's gonna pop. Okay, I'm gonna cut it. Oh, dang, it did. Bro, what's inside the scrunchie? They got me. This little thing making this scrunchie bouncing. Now that's sad. I wonder would it still work though. Like, I don't know. Hold on. I'm putting together this, and I'm doing it like that. Okay. Now, put the scrunchie, not scrunchie. I put the material. I'm gonna call this material, and this is gonna be the scrunchie. Cause this was actually the scrunchie. I got this, and I put it on the scissors, and I'm gonna try to put it through. You gonna see? Okay. Kaylin, hold it up. I'm gonna try to put it through. I need something to push it. Bobby pin. You see how everything just works together. So I pulled it in with the bobby pin. I'm gonna take the bobby pin out. And now I have two ends where the elastic is. Hopefully this works. And so I'm gonna get the elastic right here. Okay, you can't see, but the elastic is inside the thing, like at the tip. And I'm gonna staple it so it can be like, you know, long elastic. I don't know. Ooh, Kaylin, don't get your finger, baby. Make sure you staple it on the elastic so it'll stay. Well, two staples won't hurt. So I feel like it's just gonna slip right through. Okay, so I staple it. I'm gonna staple it 3 times. Can you put a staple on the staple? It's probably gonna like take the staple. Whatever, okay. Now I'm gonna flip the scissors around to where this part is not stapled yet. And I'm gonna take it slowly off of the scissors. So the elastic part is right here. I can show you. The elastic part is right here in the middle. Ooh, my hand's ashy. The elastic part is like right here in the material. And so I'm gonna staple it like I did the other side. And hopefully like this will make like a long scrunchie. I'm thinking this is what's gonna happen. So now I did it. Girl, Southern done taught me something. Okay. Now I'm gonna take the scrunchie. I'm gonna put it, there's gonna be a lot of staples in this head. Like that's probably like not safe. Like I hope it doesn't pop out when I wear it. So if you don't want the staples to show, don't staple it vertically, staple it horizontally when you're putting in the elastic. I'm talking like this really gonna work. I hope it does. Okay, so I put 3 staples in. That feels like kind of, you know. Yeah, that's secure, I'm gonna put it on, do the other one, same way, put it on the other side. Y'all, the elastic went back in there. I guess it wasn't secure enough, dang. So now I got this big sloppy, bruh. But I mean, it could still work like this. I'm in college, like I don't have time to do my hair every morning. This is gonna save my life. Let me see if it worked though. Yep, I can do that. I'm going to say it right now. I can do that. Cause you see this hat? You see this hat? You see this hat? And then just bobby pin the excess string. See? I can wear hats. I can wear hats now. So yeah, this is my DIY curl camp. Like, to make this better, I would suggest bigger scrunchie, buy elastic, cuter hat. And then that would have been it. Like, see, now I'm be wearing hats. Now I'm a hat person. Never was a hat person, never could be a hat person. But now I have the opportunity to be a hat person. I'm gonna take full advantage of that. Yeah, like that's my video. That's it. If you like this video, subscribe. You know, you might as well subscribe and go watch my other videos and give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Big heads matter. That's the moral of this video. Big heads matter. So if you think big heads matter, like and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in the next one. That's it. Bye.